Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about a remedy for snoring. Snoring is a very common sleeping disorder which affects both men and women. You snore means you create a continuous sound during your sleep. Due to this behavior, your sleeping partner feels very disturbed and want you to stop snoring immediately. In this video, I will show you a good method for reducing snoring. The ingredients are given here. Ginger 1 piece, honey 2 tablespoons. The method is given here. It is very simple. Make the ginger into paste and mix it with honey and consume it before going to sleep. And for the best results, repeat this for at least a month and you can definitely see the change.